Hello Firewalking, this is my touring that I made today. This is a 34mm Comet pressing set. This is a tube. It's some 2mm thick dual tube I found. It is 34mm ID. Now I machined with a lathe in university these two parts. This is a pressing one, of course, and this is a base. Now I made this 1/10 millimeter thinner, so this is 33.9 millimeter. Now and it just barely sticks out so that we can take the comets out. And this is the base. Now I made the base very tight to the tube. Basically the tube can just lift it and it will not fall out because the diameter difference here is very little. It's about 200ths of millimeter, so it's a very little difference, just barely there is a difference between those two diameters. I intend to use this thing on my future press that I will intend to make. It's going to be a bottle jack press made by a tutorial on the Firewalking site. And I also have this idea about the star pumps, about changing the sizes of the comets by regulating how much the bolt moves inside the tube or out. This is a drawing of a tube, of this tube for example, with a cutout in the side, and usually there is a drilled hole in a rammer with a bolt screwed in, and it just regulates how much it moves. Now we can regulate the sizes of the comets by that method, because we can drill a few holes in the rammer, and we can put a screw here, we can put a screw here, and this one will give us, of course, a shorter comet because the rammer will move a little bit. This one will give us a bigger comet, and so on. But this method doesn't give us the big variety of sizes, because the holes need to have some space between them, because or else it's just going to be a cutout. I intend to make another method. I'm gonna still make the cutout, still make the bolt system, just one simple size, like there, and one hole. But I'm gonna drill two holes in this rammer perpendicularly, so that I can screw in a special disc. For example, something like this. So this thing's gonna stand, it's gonna be put up on it, for example, and screwed to it. This would increase the length, or yes, it's going to increase the length of the rammer and making the tubes, the comets, shorter, because the rammer is going to be bigger. And it's also going to allow me to make some different, for example, markings on the comets. I could make something like this, like a disc with a sharp edge, so that it's going to make a central punching hole inside the comet, so that I can drill it after that, and that should be helpful. So I'm going to try out this idea with this star pump. Now about these, about the press, I have a question, because in Russia we have bolts when screws that are metrical, we have triangular shape with an angle of 60 degrees at the top. That is simple metrical. Now, as far as I know from machining, they use this type of screws in machines. They are not sharp at the edges and they can take more force on them. Now, I can machine this type of a screw, but I don't know if the material will be nice enough for the press. But I can buy the material. I intend to make it a 2-tone press, bottle jack, and basically that's it. I found a company in Kaliningrad that sells metal, fake metal. It's basically that's where I bought these rods. They have dowel rods up to 200 millimeters in diameter, and they have steel rods up to 400 in diameter. That's very big, just it's almost half a meter wide, and they have plates and stuff, so I can make that press. And with machining in the machining room, that shouldn't be a big problem. But I don't know if I should make special screws, or I can just use simple magazine, simple screws that are sold in shops. I intend to use a 20mm screw. That's the biggest size of a screw that we have in the shops. But with this method I can make any size of a screw. So, I don't know. But I think that with 2-tone press I can just make this one.